welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicious, Swag Vicious, Mota Vicious, and I am so excited for you to come on my video because this will be the last time I will either be recording on my phone, recording on any other device, because I bought a 360 Go Ultra in black. And you guys will be looking at my unboxing and what I got. But so far I really love this camera, and after this I will be recording in this, so it's gonna give me more motivation. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up, or the same thing. But yeah. guys enjoy that video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment what you guys want to see in my next video. Hopefully we can get into my depths-ish soon, because I bought something. I got something. I wanted something else, but I got something. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, hopefully more to it. I will be trying to upload every week on Sunday. So yes, stay tuned for that, please. Thank you. Bye.
Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous.